Okay, so we are going to be finding the distance between 2 points on a graph. So here we have our coordinate grid with a whole bunch of points, and we want to know the distance between two of them. So what we do is we count the number of jumps between the 2 points. So you can count the jumps or you can count the boxes between them. Okay, so if we're looking at point A and H, we have point A and point H. Okay, so you can count the jumps or you can count the boxes. So we would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the distance between them is 7 units. Okay, the distance between 2 points we measure in units. So now let's look at G and A. With G and A, we would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we would say that's 6 units. Make that look like a 6. Okay, E and C. E and C. We have E and C. Start at 1 point, count the jumps, 1, 2, 3. So that's 3 units. Point I and point B. 1, 2. 2 units. Point J and point D. Start at 1. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units. Don't forget to put units. Point B, last one, point B, and point H. Start at B, 1, 2, 2 units. You have been supplied notes. It's a Google Doc. I recommend making a copy of the Google Doc. You can print it out or just use it online, or if you're writing this down on a notebook, make sure you have all of this written down. The next one is on your notes page. It should look like this. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different points that you need to find the distance between. So make sure you find the distance between those. Please pause the video now, solve these, and when you come back, I will give you the answers. So pause the video now. Okay, if you're playing this, you should have completed these problems. So between point G and H, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you should have gotten 6 units. B and E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you should have had 5 units. G and D, you should have had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. Point I and J, 1, 2, 3, 4, you should have had 4 units. And point J and H, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 units. Make sure you have this all written down. Pause the video. Write down any questions that you have that you would like to email me if you are confused or question to come to Zoom and ask. Pause the video now. Make sure you have these notes completed.